Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Classes with me. So today I welcome you to my news video and let me announce you one thing. I have started my maths lectures for class 7th NCERT level in my this YouTube channel, and right from today onwards, I think tomorrow I have submitted a video, and from today onwards, there will be regular classes of class 7th maths, and it will be fully based on NCERT, and that will be on a Hindi language. Only the news channel and the news video will be on English channel. So let's go to our first news heading. First news heading is about TikTok. Yes, you heard it right. Actually, TikTok, what happened in the last Sunday, means last week Sunday, it was said that there will be a board meeting between the two companies, Oracle and TikTok, but the main issue was that the US government does not allow it and made a statement that the next update and all the security patches will be updated on the US side, as well as US is having only a small amount of stake, that is only 12.1%. So due to this, TikTok was also disappointed and the meeting was delayed. From Monday onwards, means from today, US government has banned TikTok from their Play Store and App Store both. Due to this, the lawyer of TikTok has put a case on the US government as well as Donald Trump, because they have not been given all the freedom, means the TikTok has been not given all the freedom as per the board meeting. So that's the reason. Now let's see in tomorrow news what was the output and the out result of this. So let's write the question about this news headline. Question is attack. You have to find the meaning of the word and write it in the comment section. So let's move to the second news headline. So this is the first news headline and the question. Now let's move to the second news headline. Second news headline is some serious news headline which we all should take care of it. It is about COVID and climate change. Yes, most of the researchers and scientists have found out that in this 2020, the population, or we can say all the people, have died mostly from the climate change due to global warming. All the ice on the North Pole and South Pole are melting down, and due to this melting down there is huge increase in water level, which create a negative impact on the polar animal and also on the human beings. And scientists have said that COVID-19 won't kill that much population in the world, but they are 100% sure that this climate change will kill most of the population in this world. So please save electricity, save water. It's for you all, and you are all the future of this world. So let's write the question about this. Question of this news headline would be change. Find the meaning of the word and write it in the comment section. So this is the second news headline and its question. Now let's move to the third news headline. Third news headline is about India and China. Okay. As you all know, India is imposing a ban on Chinese product as well as the Chinese investors. And due to ban on Chinese investors in India, most of the startups are not getting funded, and which is creating a huge impact on the entrepreneurship level of our country. If we look deep into this news, then India is allowing all the US company to set up their factories and plants, or we can say the R&D offices in India. But if we go to the past and look at all the startups like Flipkart, Ola, Zomato, etc., they are all funded by the Chinese investors. And if we look into the previous year, that is 2019 and 2020 session, we can see that $3.3 billion has been invested by Chinese investors to India, and due to which Indian entrepreneurs are increasing. But let's see and let's hope for the best that what will happen to the startup of our country and entrepreneurship level of our country. So that's all about the third news headline, and let's move into the question section. Question is investor. Okay, so this is the third news headline and the question regarding this. Now let's move to the fourth news headline. The fourth news headline is about telecom sector. Okay, the third news headline is, as I have told, it is about telecom sector. Like Vodafone and Idea will be upgrading their existing customers and also their new customers. What was the plan? The plan is that the customer who are using 2G handset and their 2G network services of Vodafone and Idea, they will be remain same, no issue. Only the people who are into 3G sector, or we can say all the 3G users, consumer or the customers of Vodafone and Idea will be upgraded to 4G, because they will be given the plan of all the 4G data plan and 4G customer plan to the 3G network. There will be no change in the 3G plans. Actually it is a upgradation of the 3G plan so that new customers will get attracted, and it's a type of business idea. So let's move to the question about this news. Question will be upgrade. Okay, this is the fourth news headline and the question regarding this. Now let's move to the fifth news headline. Fifth news headline is about our country, India. Actually, what happened in this news, I will tell you about some of the natural calamities that happened right now, that is Amphan. In Amphan or any natural calamities or cyclone, what happened, most of the people get displaced from their area, from their location, due to this flood and all. And if we look into the data, then we know that in 2019 3.6 million people get displaced from their places due to this natural calamities. And in the past 6 months of 2019, 2.67 million people has been displaced from the local region. And this data has been found out by only one center, that is internal displacement monitoring center. They find all the statistics of all the countries, that how many people get displaced and all, and India is in the top rank, because the reason is population is much more and natural calamities has been arriving from 2019-20 in a flow. That's the reason. And what are the causes of it? The causes of it is economic and social vulner vulnerability, and due to this the ranking may stay up due to all these natural calamities. So let's write the question about this. Question is economic, or we can say economy. Okay, so this is the fifth news headline and the question regarding the fifth news headline. So that's all about today. Thank you and have a nice day. If you like my video, then please click on the like button, share and subscribe button. If you don't like this video, then click on the dislike button and write in comment section that what should be improved, so that I can keep this in mind and take care of it in the next video. So thank you and have a nice day.